In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to close positions based on a timer. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that opens and closes trades based on specific conditions. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we import the Trade.mqh file, which provides the necessary functions for trading operations. We then create an instance of the CTrade class, named Trade. In the OnTick function, which is called on every tick, we first get the current ask and bid prices. These prices are normalized to the number of digits specified for the symbol. Next, we check if there are no open positions by using the PositionsTotal function. If there are no open positions, we open two test positions. We open a buy position with 0.10 lots, 10 microlots at the ask price, setting the stop loss 1,000 points below the ask price and the take profit 150 points above the ask price. Similarly, we open a sell position with 0.0 lots at the bid price, setting the stop loss 1,000 points above the bid price and the take profit 150 points below the bid price. After opening the positions, we call the CloseTimer function to manage the open positions. In the CloseTimer function, we loop through all open positions in reverse order. For each position, we get the position ticket and the opening time. We convert the opening time into a structure to extract the opening hour. We also get the local time and convert it into a structure to extract the current hour. We then calculate the difference between the current hour and the opening hour. We print the position ticket, opening time, local time, and the difference between the opening and current hours to the chart for debugging purposes. We then get the profit of the current position. If the position has been open for more than 1 hour and the profit is negative, we close the position using the trade position close function. Finally, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that opens and closes trades based on specific conditions with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can see the expert advisor on your chart now. If this was too fast for you, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting. I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.